We are talking handmade, high-end, one-of-a-kind statement pieces for your home. I mean, I'm talking bows that basically your neighbors will ask about before they even say hi to you.
Or they'll drive really past your house just to get a glimpse of that show-stopping bow on your front door.
Or creep up to your porch to take a picture.
I mean, who does that, Karen?
Maybe my neighbor.
Okay, yes, we're talking about these premium high-end bows that Karen and I personally have been making and keeping kind of a secret, that we've spent a lot of time and energy to bring to you today. So we're super excited. You can see one of our bows back here. And so a kind of a little backstory on our bows and how we got to this point. Back in April, my son came to me and said, Mom, first of all, we go to this fun little Independence Day festival kind of market thing every year. And he was like, Mom, I want to be like a little vendor and I want to make these cute little keychains, these lizard keychains. And I was like, yes, for sure, let's do it. And I thought, well, I need to be in the booth with him. Why not bring my bows? I had been making these bows for over a year and a half, and I had been fulfilling little custom orders and, of course, making them for myself and gifting them. And so I thought, let's take this to market. Let's do our first market. Of course, I called Karen and I'm like, guess what we're going to do?
I don't know what she would have done if I said no, because we always spend the 4th of July together. But I said yes. It snowballed into this huge thing. We made lots and lots of bows, lots of late night conversations. Lindsay even made a giant bow with 9-yard tails for the tent. You could see it from outer space. But it was really fun.
We wanted to be a show stopping. We wanted to be noticed. And we go big. We go big. And that's why we wanted to bring these bows to you.
Yep,
they're quality, handmade bows.
We were already using our caterpillar tools to make them, and so it was a natural transition. We thought, we're going big, we're bringing them to you guys, and we're really excited to share it with our Sew and Spill / Caterpillar community. And now we're here, even though we wanted to hoard them all for ourselves.
We did,
but now they're here.
We'll share them.
We'll share.
No, but we wanted to bring a unique boutique high-end quality bow to you. And while we couldn't have a cute little quaint corner store in your town, we wanted to have that corner on our website for all of you. They bring us so much joy. We know they'll bring you joy. They're just something special.
They are. They represent so much. They're celebratory. They are in weddings. They're in baby showers. They're in all kinds of celebrations and friendships and traditions. And you have a fun tradition.
Oh, I do have a fun tradition. Every birthday, my mom would bring out these really cute, I don't know where she got them. I don't even know where she stored them. They were like magical. These darling wooden dowels with these streamers and ribbons, and she'd secure them into our dining room table in our formal dining room. And us girls would get just like so giddy and excited because we knew a celebration. We were about to have a fun celebration. We were going to have a party. There was probably going to be cake. We knew that there was going to be a fun, family gathering. We felt loved. We felt special. And she evoked and created this beautiful memory and feelings around us and celebrated us with just these little dowels. And so that inspired we're calling it the birthday bow. I'm just going to bring it down because it's so worthy. Okay, first, okay, perfect. This is how it's displayed. And here it is in person.
I mean, this thing is giant.
This is giant. It's a double bow. It's beautiful. So I had to share this with you. But that was what inspired this bow.
I know, but just think about it. I mean, you're setting the table. You've got the nice dishes. You're lighting the nice candles. You've got your nice tablecloth. It's those little like extra
finishing touches.
Yeah, those finishing touches.
Special things
that are kind of setting the atmosphere and creating the memories. And that's what you remember. You remember those dowels. You remember what presents you got. You remember what you ate. But you remember the dowels, and you remember these giant bows.
I do, and the feelings around it.
And the feelings that surround it.
You're right. I do not remember one gift. I just remember the feelings. And I felt special, and that these fun things were brought out.
Because it represents joy. It represents love and that like welcoming feeling, which is what we wanted to bring to you.
Yes, we definitely did.
So let's show some bows.
Hey, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, we can't show all of our bows, but we're going to show you some bows today.
Yeah, there's
Different-
over 30 different styles and sizes, so you have to go to our website and check it out.
We have 4 sizes, 4 different sizes, but 30
different
plus
fabrics,
styles.
different styles, different
Okay.
sizes. So they're made by us, handmade by us, all of them. We've been sewing for, it seems like, years. Our husbands are bow widowers, and our houses have turned into workshops, but
They
it's been a
cares?
lot of fun.
It's fun.
It's been a lot of fun. But they are all the fabrics have been meticulously chosen by us. We've been to probably every fabric shop within a 5-mile radius. These are woven fabrics, 100% cotton, most of them. They will say we've added stabilizer to make them nice and stiff, to keep their shape.
That's right.
These are very high quality luxury
bows. And they're not for everyone.
Yeah,
these bows are for those that
appreciate
care and appreciate quality and premium craftsmanship. They are nothing that you're going to find in any box, big box store. You're not going to find them actually anywhere. These are not listed anywhere else, only through Caterpillar. Like Karen said, they have really nice stabilizer in between the fabric here to keep them nice and sturdy, to last a lifetime. We want these to be heirlooms. We want your kids' kids to pull these out, and at that point, they'll be vintage.
Right. And these are definitely for people that like value quality, the ones that know the difference between something that's handmade with love and will like treasure it and care for it and take care of it and take it out like season after season and pass it down. Like it's not throwaway decor. By the way, this one glows in the dark.
I know it does. That is really, really cute. That was a fun surprise, actually. Okay, this one was like printed, especially like we had it custom printed.
And look at the dovetail on this.
Dovetail. This is the XL bow. It's very big.
This is like our little classic style, which is a little bit shorter.
Yeah, so we have something for everybody. We made so many different styles because we wanted everyone to find, there they are. We wanted everyone to find something that spoke to them, that they could put in their space. And again, like if you want your home or your space to stand out from others and really be show-stopping, these are your bows.
Yep, they're definitely statement pieces. Basically, if your neighbor's going to ask where you got it, it better be from us.
And you know what? They won't be able to go onto the website and find the exact same bow because they're really custom made for you.
Yeah.
So with so many different options, and once they're gone, they're gone.
I know, and we have a lot of fall styles out right now because that's kind of the season we're in. And you guys, it's so cozy. It's so fun to decorate for fall. So grab them.
Halloween. We have a few Christmas in there too. This one, I mean, can you just die with me for a minute because I can't even get it on the screen. How beautiful for a wedding or over a crib. Oh my gosh, so coquette. Just very luxury and
so fun. I know you can put these on doors. You can put these on wreaths. You can put these on
garlands, banisters.
I know, Christmas trees.
Front doors,
I mean, not this one, but look at
windows.
My little Christmas bow.
I know.
You could put that on a Christmas tree. You could put it on the mantle.
It's so pretty.
Backs of chairs. You can put them on. I mean, we talked about the birthday bow. Put that on the birthday boy or girl's chair.
Yes.
I mean, there's just so many different places you could on bedposts, on dresser knobs.
So
I mean,
tablescape over a bed. I mean, honestly, it's just they just say it just says welcome. It
really does.
It's just
it brings warmth.
It brings warmth to the home, to the atmosphere. I don't know about you, but when I walk up to someone's front door and I see a big friendly bow, I'm like, oh, we're kindred spirits one. And I know that this is like a warm, welcoming home. And it's like a safe space. It's just beautiful. It just evokes beauty and and again, so they're just our favorite. We're passionate about it. We want to share our passion and our creativity with you. I hope that you have them in your home soon.